The jungle was heavy with silence as twilight settled in, only broken by the distant cries of birds returning to their nests. Deep within the thick foliage, a small baby elephant wandered close to a stream, its playful steps masking the danger lurking nearby. From the shadows, a massive python slithered forward with stealth, its scales blending into the earthy floor. Within moments, the serpent coiled around the calf's legs, pulling it down with crushing force. The distressed trumpeting of the young elephant echoed through the trees, a desperate call for help that carried urgency into the wilderness. The golden rays piercing through the dense canopy illuminated the struggle, making the scene both haunting and heartbreaking. Fear filled the little elephant's eyes as the python tightened its grip, each second dragging it closer to peril. From the distance, a small team of rescuers heard the frantic cries and rushed toward the sound, their boots thudding against the uneven jungle floor. Their faces were hardened by experience, yet the sight that met them tightened every nerve in their bodies. The massive python was wrapped in thick coils around the helpless calf, its muscles rippling as it tried to overpower the young animal. Without hesitation, the rescuers drew their machetes, their blades catching glints of the fading sunlight. The jungle air grew tense with the clash of man against nature, the sharp steel striking against the serpent's scaled body. Sweat dripped from their brows as they struggled against the sheer strength of the python, each swing fueled by urgency and the will to save a life. The baby elephant let out loud trumpets of pain and fear, its legs thrashing weakly, as the team pressed harder in their desperate attempt to break the deadly grip. At last, the relentless strikes began to weaken the python's hold, its coils loosening just enough for the rescuers to pull the calf free. The jungle rang with the triumphant sound of the baby elephant's cry as it staggered to its feet, trembling but alive. The serpent, injured and retreating, slithered back into the shadows, disappearing into the undergrowth. The team stood breathless, their clothes torn and soaked with sweat, their eyes reflecting both exhaustion and relief. Golden shafts of twilight streamed through the canopy, casting a warm glow over the scene, as if nature itself acknowledged the victory. The young elephant pressed close to its rescuers, its trust shining through its frightened eyes, a silent gratitude that needed no words. In that moment, amidst the fading light of the jungle, man and animal shared a bond forged through courage and compassion, a memory none of them would ever forget. As the jungle slowly settled back into its natural rhythm, the rescuers guided the baby elephant toward safer ground, ensuring it could rejoin its herd. Birds began to call again from the treetops, and the air, once thick with tension, grew calmer under the fading twilight. The team paused for a moment, looking back at the place where the struggle had unfolded, the trampled earth and broken branches telling the story of survival. Though weary, each of them carried a sense of pride, knowing they had stood against the raw force of nature and protected a life that might have been lost. The calf, though shaken, found its strength returning with every step, its small trunk reaching out as if to acknowledge the guardians who had saved it. In the quiet glow of dusk, the jungle seemed to whisper a reminder that courage and compassion remain the greatest weapons in the face of danger.